Hello, Jesse McCoppin here. I'm going to show you how to install VMware tools on the Ivanti CSA version 4.3 and later. The reasons for doing this are many, but primarily to allow for clean shutdowns, reboots, as well as for backup and snapshot integrity. First, I'm going to reboot this CSA without VMware tools installed. You see that it instantly turned off and back on again. This is analogous to pulling the power cord from a physical computer without letting the OS shut down first. This can damage the file system and cause the CSA to fail further boot-ups. So, we can prevent this by installing VMware tools. Let's go ahead. First, ensure that the virtual machine has a CD-ROM drive attached. These next few settings don't matter much as long as the virtual CD-ROM is connected in the end. Now that I have a CD-ROM device available, I'm going to install VMware tools, and then press Ctrl-Alt-F5 to get into the Linux shell. I need to log in with admin level account, and then sudo su to gain super user privileges. Let's look at the dev directory. You'll see many objects here, including either/or, CD-ROM, and DVD. In almost every case, the virtual CD-ROM we added earlier will be associated with the DVD device. We need a temporary directory at /mnt/dvd, then we're going to run mount read-only with type ISO 9660 from dev DVD to mnt DVD. With the VMware tools ISO mounted, let's take a look inside. You'll see a tar.gz file that needs to be extracted. So let's make another temporary directory at /tmp/vmw, change to that directory, and then run the tar command. Running the tar command with arguments zxpf, I'm going to point to the file name that I wish to extract, and then press enter. The archive will extract to a subdirectory called VMware tools distrib. Let's take a look inside there, and we find a VMware install.pl file. Let's go ahead and run that, and just press enter to supply the default responses to all the questions as the install progresses. Once the install is done, I'm going to clean up by removing the /tmp vmw directory and logging back out of the shell. Finally, I'm going to reboot this VM, and you will see that the OS actually goes down cleanly instead of just being hard reset. I hope you found this video informative, and thank you for watching.